Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Peach Slices Super Fade Discoloration Moisturizer. This product retails for $14. If you all watched my review to the Peach Slices Discoloration Serum, you know that that is one of my favorite products. I love this because they use completely different technology, which I feel like would complement that serum perfectly, but yet still be a good standalone product as well. Utilizing moisturizing AHA complex in a moisturizer is something I don't hear of often, and I'm actually glad they took this approach because AHAs can be a little bit drying to the skin. I'm super excited to see what I notice and how this product performs. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They use a 5% AHA complex along with glycerin, squalane, panthenol, and also 4% niacinamide. Check out the full ingredients. You can click the link in the description to go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things I'm going to be looking for include how often can I use it? Do I like using this as a moisturizer or as a chemical exfoliating treatment that is more moisturizing? I also want to see what finish it leaves and if it causes any sensitivity. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-in. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I have to say this moisturizer is one of the most excited I've been for a skincare launch recently. This has pomegranate, AHA, niacinamide, glycerin, so many ingredients with a different technology than the brightening serum. Brightening serum used tranexamic acid, niacinamide, a lot of brightening agents, and a moisturizing formula. I did do a spot test of this and it has a gel cream texture. In my head, this is either going to be a more moisturizing exfoliant or it's going to be a light moisturizer for oily skin. There's really no rules with it. I think it's acting, some silicone-free moisturizers do that where they pill up just a little bit. I'll see if that's an issue on my face. We'll see how it performs on the face. Also, since it has AHAs in it, I want to see if it causes any initial stinging. By the feel of it, I can already tell I think I'm going to want to use this as a more moisturizing treatment rather than a sole moisturizer, which is totally okay. No rules with it. I do love that they added AHAs in a moisturizer formula though. I feel like that's very rare. Feels nice going on the skin. There's some initial stinging that comes with an AHA exfoliant, so just be mindful of that. It's not hopefully going to translate to long-term sensitivity, but that is always a possibility. Leaves practically no finish on the skin, but it is a really lightweight exfoliant and more moisturizing as well, which I quite enjoy. I love that they did take this approach to a dark spot treating moisturizer. I am gonna try to use this product a little bit longer to see if I notice any benefits or what I notice with it. I'm gonna continue using this product and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I got to spend a little bit more time with this moisturizer and I really love it. I feel like it's very innovative. One, because they utilized a gentle chemical exfoliant in a more moisturizing formula. If you've experienced sensitivity from AHAs in the past, definitely give this moisturizer a chance because it is a more gentle option. I actually found I was able to use it every single day. I didn't go above using it once a day every day, specifically at night. I feel like I could, but I know my skin and I know that I cannot tolerate that, so that's why I did not go above that. However, no sensitivity, no stinging, no itching, no weird sensation that sometimes comes with AHA exfoliants, and it is in a moisturizer, more hydrating delivery, which I absolutely love. The combination of ingredients in here worked perfect, and I felt like it was a really gentle yet effective treatment for discoloration, for hyperpigmentation, and for dark spots. Just comparing it to what I have seen with other treatments in the past, I obviously need to use it a little bit longer to get some of those more prominent benefits with it, but I've seen really promising benefits within the first few weeks of using it, and I feel like it is really comparable to some of my other favorite treatments. The only difference difference is the texture, the formula, the delivery. Everything is way different with this product because it is in a moisturizer form. I didn't use this as a moisturizer. I use this as a gentle chemical exfoliating treatment rather than as a sole moisturizer. If you are more oily or you feel like it is plenty to use as that, you could obviously stop with this product. I didn't find it was enough. I found I needed to go in with just a little bit richer of a cream, and that's what I did after this product, and it worked perfect. There's really no rules with how you use this. Just use your lighter weight serums first, and then you can either stop at this step or you can go for a little bit richer of a moisturizer. Just depends on your preference. I like that they did this with this formula. First of all, because it complements the serum really well. I found I could use them together because they utilize different technology. The serum uses tranexamic acid along with kojic acid and some more gentle ingredients, while this one uses a gentle chemical exfoliant in a moisturizer form, maximizing the benefits of the discoloration collection in my opinion when you use these products together. I feel like it really takes us back to why skincare lines were created, which is to use them together, and these products complement each other perfectly. Can't wait to see if they release a cleanser or another launch, because Peach Slices is kind of known for doing entire lines color coded with this bright yellow packaging. I really love this formula. I feel like any skin type could use it, whether you're sensitive or you're just looking for a more gentle approach to incorporate AHAs in your skincare routine. This is a really beautiful option that was also really effective. Had a good experience, didn't cause acne, didn't cause anything negative, so I would 100% recommend trying it. It is, in my opinion, a really great treatment moisturizer. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and we'll see you all in the next review.